scholarship that government fully and I should start, sir.
உனக்கு எப்படி பேசணும்னு தோணுதோ பேசு. ஆனால் 5 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ளே அனாஸ் சிச்சுவேஷனுங்கிறது முடிஞ்சிடும். நான் அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் அங்கே போவோம்.
First, the government was I'm studying in a college. The government told that we will be giving scholarship, and because of the elections.
நீ சிச்சுவேஷனை சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க. சிச்சுவேஷன் எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியும்.
Sir,
அதை பேசி நீ டைம் வேஸ்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். சொல்யூஷனுக்கு வா.
What is good in this?
அப்படி வா.
First, I'm getting a scholarship. I feel very positive and I'm very happy because I want to pay the only the 40% will be less. For that the government will be paid. So that I was happy, and because of the election the government was changed. The opposition party became as a majority party, so that they came as a majority party and they cancelled the scholarship.
You're again repeating the problem. உனக்கு இந்த ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் கேன்சல் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. அது இருக்க நல்ல விஷயம்.
Sir,
அது பிரச்சனை.
yes, sir.
ப்ராப்ளம். அதுதானே.
Yes, sir.
அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ல இருக்கிற நல்ல விஷயம். What is the honey drop in the neem oil? அதான் நான் கேட்குறேன். வேப்ப எண்ணெயில் இருக்கிற ஒரு சின்ன தேன் துளி என்னன்னு நான் கேட்குறேன். அந்த ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் உன்னோட போச்சு. உன் கஷ்டமெல்லாம் வீணாக போச்சு. ரைட்? வாட் இஸ் குட் இன் தட்? அதில் தேடி கண்டுபிடிச்சா இன்னும் நல்ல விஷயத்தை எடுக்கலாம்னு நான் கேட்குறேன்.
So, if I'm studying in very well, sir, the changed government will be giving the scholarship automatically to me, sir.
So that's good. Okay, right. Vidvashni, come. Now Anas, let him take some rest. Ipaniso, for your team, you have also lost a scholarship. So what are you taking as a good thing from that adversity that has happened?
From this problem, what I think as a good thing is, so the things I learned was I learned many things from the books and all stuff for scholarship exam. So that the chapters and all I gathered in my mind, and I gathered some knowledge from that.
Yes.
So my knowledge will be developed through studying and all.
Right.
Even though scholarship is not available for me now, but I had some knowledge. I gained more knowledge, which will help me further in my future.
Beautiful. That's a very good answer.
Thank you.
Well then, so Anas and Vidvashni's situation, they both have answered the first one. Now, the second strata. The second strata is, what's the thing that you learned from this? In the பிரச்சனையில நீ கத்துக்கிட்ட விஷயம். We'll start with Anas.
Sir, I learned. Sir, first I was thinking that I can easily study, but because of the scholarship cancelled, I feel very sad, sir. And I learned that in life anything is not easy to overcome. Life anything is not easy to overcome, sir. We should try, and it's very tough to overcome, sir. I learned life is not easy, sir. We should overcome it, sir.
Well done. So, that's a good answer. Vidvashni, what's the learning out of this adversity?
I learned this. I should not expect the thing that is coming to me, sir. I should not fully expecting for that. I should expect for that, but not more and all, sir. I face that in my personal life and all, sir. When my father says we can go for a place, but sometimes he could not take me to the place, sir. So I will be very sad and all. I'll go to the bedroom and I'll start crying, sir. I should not do that. So that the thing came in my mind when this situation came to me.
Okay.
So I should not do that, and I should always motivate myself, and I should always not be depressed and all, sir, about the bad thing happening.
Right, that's good. So good job, Vidvashni. Right. At this instance, they have tried answering 2 strata, and the third strata is going to be addressed. Before that, a question to Team Balaji and Team Amritesh. Is any addition to be made? Kalpita for Team Amritesh, Mitra for Team Amritesh, Balaji for Team Balaji. Kalpita, you start.
Okay, so thank you, sir. So
Sir, what is good in this situation of Mridubhashnika? Sir, it is as Mridubhashnika rightly mentioned, this is the knowledge he has observed, sir. That is going to be useful somewhere at any point of time, sir. And to complete the exam and to compete with everybody, she could have motivated herself, sir. So these are the two learnings, sir. The self-motivation and the knowledge she has acquired is the learning from this.
Self-motivation is the key word. Right.
Super thanks for that. And what could Mridubhashnika learn from this, sir? As she already mentioned, to not expect more things, sir. And in life, you are going to be the only person for yourself, sir, and work for yourself and as well as the people around you, sir. And concentrate more on what you want, sir, and more on what you want and how can you accomplish it, sir. And it is about you yourself strategizing and winning the life, sir.
Right. Well done. Good job. I will come back to you. Balaji, what is the addition you want to add in your teammates' presentation?
Sir, for another sir, first center, sir. So learning this, sir, the good in this, sir. Due to this scholarship cancer, sir, he will try to make some changes, sir. So adapt with the changes, sir. If the change is coming, sir, he should adapt changes, sir. He will make some changes and try to get scholarship in the future, sir. So
Okay.
make the changes, sir.
Very well done. Very well. Okay, Mitra, what kind of answer you would like to add?
Sir, for the first, what's good in this, sir? So for that, sir, she has been come to the eligibility that she could get a scholarship, sir. She has the self-confidence, sir, and she has the eligibility to get the scholarship, sir. There's no mistake on her part, sir. But unfortunately, due to in that situation, the ruling party lost in the election, and the opposing party came into the as a ruling party, sir, and everything got collapsed, sir. So there is no mistake on Milruka's part, sir. But she was eligible to get a scholarship and join the college. That was the answer for the first data, sir. And the second, what could the person learn from this, sir? From this, sir, a person should not blindly believe in one whole thing, sir. So, for example, she shouldn't have believed that she will get about 45 to 60% from the scholarship alone, sir. She should have, before the election happens, sir, she should have gone to some part-time job. She should have also put some hard work to get some money, sir. She can't expect wholly on the government for giving that whole handful of money to her.
Multiple sources. She
Yes,
should
sir.
have got some multiple
She should
sources.
have put some her efforts to gain this scholarship, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anas and Mridubhashini, now you can complete and you can go back. The answers for the last two. We'll start with Anas. What's the third question?
Sir, what is the skill that a particular person learns?
Samir, what did you learn? As a damaged person who has lost the scholarship, இந்த இடத்துல உன்னோட learning என்ன?
Sir,
என்னவா எடுத்துக்க?
Sir, I will take it as in life I should not wait for anyone, sir, because in the trap we should always follow the normal position, sir, not over highly or not very slowly, sir. In that normal position, if we are traveling in life, we can easily we can win, sir.
Super job, Anas.
Your answer for the third question?
The third question is that the things that I do and which the situation did not repeat it again, sir. The thing that I should not concentrate more on the scholarship, sir. Beforehand I should take some spare of money and all, sir. That's the mistake I made in this situation, sir. So for overcoming it, I should go for the part-time jobs and all, sir. So through that I can earn the money, sir.
Okay.
Even though my father is not able to give the money, sir, he has some 45% of money, sir. But I have also some savings already, sir. From my childhood days, I started saving the monies which I get from my grandparents and all, sir. After that, after I'm going.
Did not have time for explaining the whole thing to you, but I would like to ask you some questions. And the questions க்கு கரெக்டான ஆன்சர் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா உங்க டீம்மேட்ஸ்க்கு 100 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கிடைக்கிறதுக்கு நீங்க காரணமா
Come on, Nitika. Come on, Chandra.
when we have a problem in life, ஏதாவது ஒரு பிரச்சனை நடக்குது ஸ்கூல்ல, in life, வீட்ல, amongst the relatives, amongst friends, அந்த மாதிரி டைமில் ஒரு பிரச்சனைன்னு வந்துட்டா சரி இந்த பிரச்சனையில் என்ன நல்ல விஷயம் நம்ம எடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு யோசிக்கணுங்கிறதுக்காக ஐ ஹாவ் given them an activity. அதில் ஒன்று தான் மிருது பாஷினியும் அனாசும் அவங்க டீம் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. What I am asking both of you as sister and brother is share with us one particular problem that you had in your life and also tell us what good thing you took out of that particular problem. அதனால ஏதோ ஒரு ரீசெண்டான பிரச்சனை அந்த பிரச்சனையிலேருந்து நல்ல விஷயம் நீ ஒன்று எடுத்துருந்தீங்கன்னா அது என்ன நீ எடுக்கலைன்னா கூட பரவாயில்ல ஐ ஷுட் ஹவ் டேக்கன் எடுத்துருந்துருக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு கூட யோசிச்சு நீங்கள் சொல்லலாம். Can you? அது சில்லியாக இருக்கும் இவங்க சிரிப்பாங்க ரொம்ப சின்ன விஷயம் அப்படின்னா நீ யோசிக்க you give a proper answer you speak like a soldier you get the point for your team. That's it. Come on.
First I'm angry means I will be not crying sir and go to bed sir and I will sleep sir.
Okay.
and I will get up and refresh and go back and study.
Good job, sir.
How are you able to sleep when you are angry? It's a skill. Who taught you that skill? I cannot sleep when I'm angry. How are you able to sleep when you are angry? Who taught you that skill? Is it a good skill or bad skill? You don't know? Carrying anger when you're sleeping, is it good or bad? I light up a camphor. Camphor na சூடம் சூடத்தை வந்து லைட் பண்ணி அதை உன் கையில் வச்சு இப்படி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணால் இஸ் இட் குட் ஆர் பேட்? என்ன ஆகும் உன் கை என்ன ஆகும்? பேர்ன் ஆகும்ல அதேதான். யூ கோ வித் ஆங்கர் அண்ட் ஸ்லீப் ஆல் நைட் தட் ஆங்கர் வில் ஒர்க் இல்லை. So is it good or bad? So hereafter you should not do that. Okay? Good.
Super.
Well, Ritika, what is your? I mean, he said that the problem is a good thing. So likewise, what problem you are going to share, and what is a good thing that you learned from that problem?
Fighting till night. Then we got anger and went to study room for studying, sir. And I was angry. I drank some water, sir.
And you will diffuse. Then you will say, and you will go in. பரவாயில்லையா நல்லா இருக்கு.
Super, Nitika.
நல்லா இருக்கு. ரெண்டு பேரும் சண்டை போடுறதுல இருந்து ஏதோ ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம்னா எது இருக்கு? Taking some good things from a bad thing. No? Exercise. நீ அவன் அடிக்க அவன் ஒன்று அடிக்க நீ அவன் அடிக்க அப்படியே ஓகே போய் குத்தி குத்தி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிக்க நல்லா இருக்கு. பாய் வேலை
Very well done, sir. Very well done, Nitika.
Brinda and Aditya situation.
All the best with the
So Aditya and Brinda are supposed to be on the podium now. Both Chandan and Ritika have earned 100 points each. We'll start with Brinda. So we all know the problem. What problem Brinda and Aditya has faced? Salary, promotion being postponed. So Brinda, try to explain about your fourth state. Come on, first one.
So my first status, what can I learn from that incident or what can I learn from this situation? The learning I come across the situation is they announced like I am postponed. They didn't announce like I'm not no longer going to be promoted or I'm not deserved to be the promoted. Still I'm deserving, so that only they actually postponed that
postponed my promotion. In that I can see a good thing. So I can feel like still I'm deserving, still I'm doing hard work, still I'm deserve to be promoted. So I can feel like that. So I feel that this is a good thing I can learn from this situation.
Beautiful. Well done. It's actually the second strata. Second strata. So I'll come to the first strata. First strata is what is a good thing. Atha nee rendime mix பண்ணிட்டியா? First strata
Answer for learning also.
learning also. Right. Okay. Aditya. Your first strata. Do you remember the first strata?
Yeah,
What is-
what's the good thing?
Can you explain? Yeah.
Yeah, so the good thing that we learned is that before you got a promotion, you celebrate it early. So you should never, like, for example, if you get a gift, you should, like, and then your dad says a phone or something like that. You should never be like, oh, I get a phone, and you should never start celebrating before you get it.
Absolutely.
So, in this situation, I would deserve that punishment because I celebrated early before I even got that punishment.
So you self-punish yourself. I mean, you take it as a self-punishment for the mistake that you have committed.
Yeah, so this is like a lesson, so I won't repeat this. Like, if it comes into another situation, I won't celebrate early.
Beautiful. And Brinda has already answered the second question, that is a learning. So I'm going to come for her for the first question. But I'm asking you the second thing. It is the learning out of this problem that has happened. As a wonderful, committed professional, your promotion being postponed. What is the learning out of that problem?
The learning is that to never celebrate early. That's like, I guess it's the same thing.
Okay. Right. It could be a same thing, no problem. Fine. So coming back to Brinda, about that good thing, the first,
Yes, and actually I mixed up two things.
not a problem.
I think I had my confusion.
Right.
So what I can learn is, as I said, so everything. So what I can learn is like whatever I said before time. So now I'm going to explain my first question, what is good in it. So I feel like what is good in it is whenever a situation like happen, we have to learn something or we have to take a good thing. So each and every failure is an opportunity for us. So like this, I got a failure and they announced like it is going to be postponed. So that time I have to be very strong, and the good thing I have to learn from it is I have to be self-motivate, as my co-mate said, and also I have to be so confident. Whenever a problem comes, I have to pre-prepare for facing the problem. So the good thing is still I am having some deserving qualities too. So that's what the good thing I learned, good thing I take from this.
Good. Well, very nice explanation. Let me come to the leader, Ramitesh. She is going to explain the third strata, and Aditya is also going to explain his third strata. But I'm curious to know, as a leader, you, what's the answer for the third strata of Brinda Aditya's situation?
So the third strata is what she should do so that she doesn't repeat the thing again.
Yes.
So she was earning a good salary, but unfortunately her promotion was declined and was postponed to later time. What she can do in the future is to stick to her word and work hard no matter what happens, and never be overconfident like, oh my god, I'm gonna receive this promotion, so I don't have to do any work or something like that. I should always stick to my word and work hard and not be overconfident.
Beautiful. That's what I call as a leader's cut. Leader, Balaji. The fourth strata, Aditya himself will answer the third strata. You will answer the fourth strata. In your case, you will answer the third strata. The fourth strata for Aditya's situation. And the fourth strata is, what should Aditya teach to the other people so that in their salaried profession, things of that sort will not happen?
Sir, for fourth one, sir. So auditor should know that should never expect any benefits from the company, and if it is postponed, you should hard work for more and more, and you should have some concentration towards the company so that so he can get promotion in the future, sir.
Brilliant, brilliant. Don't expect benefits. Don't expect perquisites. Don't expect rewards. That's very mature. I want Brinda to now explain, because Amritesh has already answered, your leader has already answered the third strata. I wanted to answer the fourth strata. That is the mentoring. What would you teach to the others so that this could not happen for them?
Sir, for this situation, what I can teach to others is stick to the opportunities. Normally, it happens in the life, like whenever we practice the competition, and sometimes they will say due to rain or due to something the competition was postponed, and that time we actually feel the same situation. Same like me, I announced to my family and lots of the numbers, and they have said that my promotion was postponed. So whatever is postponed, we have to keep hard working and we have to stick to the opportunities, sir. So
Correct.
that's what I actually teach to other person.
Beautiful. Well done. Very well done. Brinda has indeed contributed so well for her team. Aditya, you're also doing the same. And now, for you, you are explaining the third strata. Because your leader has explained the fourth strata, so that's off. And the third strata is actually, what is the third strata? Do you remember?
What you should do is,
Exactly. What you should do so that it doesn't happen in the future. So,
yeah, so what you should do is to never give up. For example, like if they tell that you post like if you're gonna get a promotion of FAM and then they tell that no, your promotion is gonna be postponed on March, you should never be like, yeah, I already worked hard and now I'm not getting promotion, I'll just leave it, I'll at least get the promotion in 1 May.
right.
So you never know what's gonna happen in the future. So you should keep hard working even if you don't get it till you get it.
Beautiful.
And to be ready for anything in life, because you knew that you're gonna get the promotion and you weren't ready for that is gonna be postponed, so you should be ready for it.
Excellent presentation by both. We really appreciate it. Both Aditya and Brinda have got 200 points, properly helped by team leader, properly helped by team leader. Whatever the younger sister took away, the younger sister has given back.
Thank you for
Well done, Brinda, you spoke really well. Aditya, Sivi Adityan, half is. Come.
All the best to be all
All
the
the
best.
best, all the best, all the best, all the best of you.
Perhaps the same question that I asked to Ritika and Chandra. உங்களுடைய சின்ன லைஃப்ல நடந்த ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து எப்படி நீங்கள் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணீங்க, அதில் இருக்கிற ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம் அப்படின்னு எடுத்துருந்தா என்ன எடுத்தீங்க? Explain it in your own English. We are all actually very intelligent to understand your English. கடவுள் எங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கோம் வரவு. உங்களை மாதிரி பெரிய ஆள் பேசுகிற இங்கிலீஷை புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக எங்களுக்கு ஏதோ ஆர்டர் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அதனால் நீங்கள் there is one problem that you faced. அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ல இவங்க எல்லாம் சொல்ற மாதிரி நீ எடுத்த நல்ல விஷயம் அப்படின்னு அதுல என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்ட? பிரச்சனை இருந்து கற்றுக்கிறவன் தான் ஒரு லீடர். ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் யூ
I am one day in my grandmother's house. I'm standing on the rock and keep my legs and fall down.
ஓகே.
The rock hit my ear and I'm injured.
ஓகே.
And I not observe that one. Oh, we should not run fastly. We have to see down and walk carefully. That's why
So you have observed that problem, that you have learned that பார்த்து நடக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறத கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். Nice, very nice answer. Good. Very good. Hafid, just like Sibi, follow Sibi. அவன் சொன்ன மாதிரி உனக்கு நடந்த ஏதோ ஒரு பிரச்சனை, அதுலேருந்து நீ என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்ட? தேவையில்லாமல் கண்ணு முன்னு தெரியாமல் ஓடி கீழே விழுந்து காலில் அடி வாங்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் இனிமேல் ஜாக்கிரதையாக இருக்குன்னு நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன்னு அவன் சொன்ன மாதிரி in your life?
Come on, happy.
You know? IPL. Cycle. Let me tell you the problem that you faced. You faced my problem and asked for it. First class நீ வந்தப்போ உனக்கு என்ன நடந்ததுன்னே தெரியல. You are very afraid. ஒன்னாச்சா அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒரு நாள் கிளாஸ்ல உனக்கு பயங்கரமாக ரன்னிங் நோஸ் இருந்துச்சு. Good thing is that you sustained that running nose and you were staying in the class for 45 minutes. உட்காமன்னா அந்த ரன்னிங் நோஸ் பொறுத்துட்டு இல்லை அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்னா நீ இல்லை என்ன லேர்ன் பண்ண அதில் இப்போ எப்படி மீட் வருது இப்போ நீ கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக வந்துட்டு என்ன சிவிலைசேஷன் அதை பற்றி சொல்லு. சரி ஓகே சைக்கிள் ஸ்பீடாக போய் என்னாச்சு? ஓஹோ ஓகே அப்போ அது என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டோம்? Did you learn anything from the point that you have fallen down very badly from the cycle? Say, oh, good.
Very well done, happy.
Hafiz, bye. Tell us. Nah, in there. Keep it 3 minutes. Brother?
நிறைய எழுதிருக்கோம்.
3, 2, 1, go. So, Amritesh, you are going to start. Tell us the first and the foremost strata and explain to us how you are going to look into it.
So the first strata in my situation is what is good that has come out from this situation. The good thing that has come out from the situation is that I have been able to run this company for more than 10 years at a middle age, and I have been able to put myself as a great competitor against the businessmen of other companies, other great companies who have been running well too.
Totally. That's very logical and it contains its own validity. Fine. Balaji, your strata, the first strata.
Sir, the good in this is I have confidence to run this company for 10 years, sir, and I have some self motivation to face the competition in the other companies, sir.
655 people galloping the entire locker of money and ran away. அதையும் மீறி உன்னால் எப்படி நல்ல விஷயத்தை பார்க்க முடியும்?
Sir, they ran away, sir, but I can recruit them as back as possible. So I can recruit them the same amount of people, maybe even 700 or 800, so that the company will fetch more profit than.
And those new guys with their new ideas, they can take the company to a different height. Yeah, good. Very nice.
Super Nayana.
Amritesh, your second, you are learning out of this particular problem as a businessman. Second straight answer.
Yeah, second straight is what I've learned from this situation. 655 employees have taken stolen a lot of money, and they have brought my company to a major loss. What I learned from this company is to not believe in everyone. Like, just don't blindly believe in all my employees, and although they may be honest or not, we should have like 3 to 4 sub-side workers along on my side in order to look into all the employees and make sure that they are honest in their work as well.
Thank you, Amritesh. That was really good answer. Your answer for the second strata.
Sir, for the second one, sir, so since we the learning is that since we focus on the company, we don't know what is happening around us, sir. So we should not addicted to one particular instance, sir. We should have some diversion, sir, and look at what is happening around us. So we need to have a self-awareness in, sir. So I should have some positive self-awareness so that I can have that what is going in the around companies.
Beautiful. We will come to Anas. Okay, I'll come to you later. Mitra, Amritesh as a businessman has answered the first 2 strata. I want you to explain the answer for the 4th strata. The 4th strata is what Amritesh can mentor to the other person as to how this is not going to happen in the future.
Sir, it's a very good eligibility criteria and arbitration as part and Balaji as part, sir. That is, they have the eligibility to compete with another competitor in another particular company, sir. That's number one, sir. And what both of them could teach to others is, sir, they should not be focused on only one particular task, sir. They have to do multitasking, sir. So in Meet the Night series also, we had a person who defined about multitasking, and you always say that you have to learn multitasking, sir. Karthik Mama, sir. And also, sir, multitasking is very important, sir, because this very good on Amritesh part and Balaji part. They're having a separate thing. They have the strength and the eligibility to compete, sir. And at the same time, they should have taken some plan. They must have strategized before itself how they are going to take care of the other stuff of the company, sir. Like about the money they get, the profit, the annual budget, the annual income that they get, and how they are going to whether it is an export or import company, how they are going to import or export the goods, and how they are going to develop their country so that they could get more annual profits, sir.
Right.
And they should have worked it out more, and they should have found out what's going to happen in like these workers. These person who are taking care of the company, they are taking the money and they ran off, sir. They should have noticed this before itself by putting some separate personal security or the personal PA, or who should have taken care of all those other things, sir.
Right. That's a good answer.
Thank you, sir.
Manas, Mitra for Amritesh's team has explained the fourth strata. Now you explain the third strata for your leader Balaji. The third strata is what should you do to ensure that it doesn't happen in the future.
Sir, I should say, I should not tell the workers that is like because they will be taking this, and they will be knowing their passwords, and they will be daily they will be coming for the work, sir. In that tea time, or they will be seeing that, sir, and they will be thinking that